Sometimes it's blood, sweat, and tears on Alaska's last frontier. But life is simple, life is good when you're living like you should. Hey, hey, sometimes it's struggle, strife.
Fathers, sons, brothers, wives.
But we're making our way. And yes, we'll stay right here on Alaska's last frontier.
Hey guys, just got my Garrett Pro Pointer back from Garrett. Looks like they repaired the on and off switch and the coil assembly. Put a new battery in it. So I'm curious to see. It's been about 2 weeks since I sent it in. Tell you, I've been waiting for this thing to come back. I am so lost without it. You get used to using these things, and they're such great tools that... Wow! Okay, so that's it. Check this out. It looks brand new. On mine, all the writing was worn off, the yellow. This looks brand new. Wow. Sweet. All right, check that out. It looks like they put it in a brand new case. Looks totally brand new. It is. It's not the same one. All right. I'd like to give a shout out to Hilda at Garrett. Thank you very much. I appreciate all your help. Thanks for getting me back in service. Alright guys, you know what the next step is. Let's go test this sucker outside. Alright. Till next time guys, good luck and happy hunting. See ya. You know the best thing of all is they didn't charge me anything. They fixed it for free. All I had to do was pay to ship it to them. So you cannot beat that. So I would suggest Garrett to anybody. These are really nice tools to use for metal detecting. I don't know how anybody gets along without them. So go see Garrett, buy you one.